Has it ever crossed your mind how health insurance in India is shaping the lives of millions? A thought-provoking question indeed. But before we delve into the nitty-gritty, it's essential to understand the basics. So what is health insurance? Simply put, it's a type of insurance coverage that pays for medical and surgical expenses incurred by the insured. But what's the actual scenario of health insurance in India? Let's dive in. India, a country with a population of over 1 billion people, exhibits a significant gap when it comes to health insurance. As per the National Health Profile, only about 20% of the population had some form of health insurance in 2023. This leaves a staggering 80% of the population without any financial cushion in case of medical emergencies. Another intriguing aspect is the urban-rural divide. The penetration of health insurance in urban areas is significantly higher than in rural areas. This disparity is largely due to the lack of awareness and accessibility in rural regions. Now consider this. As per a report by the World Bank, out-of-pocket expenditure constitutes over 60% of all health spending in India. This means a majority of Indians are paying for their healthcare needs directly from their pockets, exposing them to financial risks. Interestingly, the Indian health insurance market is predominantly dominated by government schemes. These schemes, like the Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, aim to provide health insurance to the economically weaker sections of society. However, despite these initiatives, many Indians remain unprotected due to gaps in implementation and coverage. Furthermore, the insurance industry in India is witnessing a paradigm shift. With the advent of technology, numerous digital health insurance startups are sprouting up, aiming to make health insurance more accessible and affordable. However, the challenge lies in educating the masses about the importance of health insurance and how to navigate the often complex world of policies and premiums. So what have we learned from this discussion? Firstly, health insurance in India is still in its nascent stage, with a significant portion of the population uninsured. Secondly, out-of-pocket expenditure is still the primary method of healthcare financing, exposing many to financial risks. Thirdly, while government schemes have made some progress, there are still gaps that need to be filled. Lastly, the emergence of digital health insurance startups is a promising development. But the real test lies in their ability to educate and reach the masses. The reality of health insurance in India is a mixed bag of progress and challenges. While it's heartening to see the government and private sector's efforts to improve the situation, there's a long road ahead. The aim should be to ensure that every Indian has access